Maseches Megillah, Perek Mishna Aleph. This Mishnah teaches about the different levels of Kedusha of a shul and things that are related to the shul. V'nei ir shemachru rechoy shel ir. If the people of a city sold the town square, which was used for davening on fast days, so the halacha is loikhim b'dam of Beis HaKnesses. They're allowed to take with the money a Beis HaKnesses, because a Beis HaKnesses, a shul, is holier than the rechoy shel ir. Beis HaKnesses, if they sold the Beis HaKnesses, loikhim teva, they could buy a teva for the Sefer Torah, because a teva is holier than the Beis HaKnesses. Teva, if they sold a teva, loikhim mitpachis, they can buy something to wrap the Sefer Torah with, because it's holier than a teva. Mitpachis, loikhim svarim, if they sold the mitpachis, they could buy svarim of nevim and ksuvim, because they're holier than the mitpachis. Svarim, loikhim Torah, if they sold svarim of nevim and ksuvim, so then they could buy a Torah, because the Torah is holier than svarim. The Mishnah continues and teaches that a person can't do the reverse. Aval im machru Torah, however, if they sold the Torah, loyikhu svarim, they shouldn't buy nevim and ksuvim, which are less holy. Svarim, if they sold nevim and ksuvim, loyikhu mitpachis, they shouldn't buy mitpachis, which are less holy. Mitpachis, if they sold the mitpachis, loyikhu teva, they shouldn't buy a teva, which is less holy. Teva, if they sold the teva, loyikhu Beis HaKnesses, they shouldn't buy a Beis HaKnesses, which is less holy. Beis HaKnesses, if they sold the Beis HaKnesses, they shouldn't buy the rechoiv, which is less holy. V'chein b'meisreim, and the same is true if there's any extra money that can only be used for something holier and not something less holy. The Mishnah continues and presents a related argument. Ein meichrin es shel rabim liyachid. Divrei Rabbi Yehuda. Rabbi Yehuda says that we're not allowed to sell a Beis HaKnesses of the public to be used as a Beis HaKnesses for a private individual, because it's lowering its holiness. Amr Lei, the Chachamim said to him, Im Kain, if so, Aflei mi'ir gdela li'ir ktana. Then it should also not be allowed to sell a Beis HaKnesses that's being used by a big city to be used by a small city, because less people will be using it. And since that is permitted, it's also permitted to sell a public shul to an individual to use as his own private shul.